Today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple indicator that I've discovered. Simple zigzag indicator, very easy to use, works on almost every pair and every time frame. Just two simple rules. So all you're going to need is, first of all, you're going to have to make sure that you use the same indicator as mine. Click on your settings and make sure that it's the same exact settings, right? Now what do we look for, right? Now whenever a zigzag forms, like here for example, you want to make sure you look for a change of character. For those of you who don't know what a change of character is, pretty much when price creates a lower low, lower high, lower low, and breaks the most recent lower high, right? Then reverses and then takes off, just like that. Now, how does it work? We have a zigzag here. We have a lower low, lower high. We have a lower low. You can see price came, took out this high over here, reversed, then took off, right? Now you see it's the same thing here. Price made a lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, as you can see. Then sometimes price takes off, right? As long as it breaks the most recent high, it is very accurate, and there's huge probabilities that it's gonna go your direction, especially if you're following the trend. So this is very simple. If you need further guidance, make sure to drop a comment below, and yeah, I'll happily help you. Till then, peace out, take care.